Hey everybody, I hope you had a great winter. It is spring. You can see the snow is starting to melt on the mountain. We've had an abnormally warm winter here in Utah. Right now we're at the end of February, early March. We're talking 57 degrees. So spring is right around the corner, but your lawn probably looks like this if you have cool season grass like me. So I've got a mix here of Kentucky bluegrass and perennial rye, and you can see it's just got this brown, dull, dormant sort of haze to it. You can really see that, brown sort of dull look really well here in the park strip, as well as here in the front yard. Well, let's go take a look at the backyard too. And here's the backyard. You can just see lots of brown patches, but I do have a dog back here, and you can really see that where he has gone, where that nitrogen or urea is hitting the grass, it's been warm enough for the grass to respond. So it's definitely the time of year where we need to do something to try and kick this into gear and green it up. All right, so what should you put down on your grass to get it to green up as quickly as possible when the temperatures are still relatively cold, right? We're talking early spring when temperatures of the soil are between 30 to 50 degrees often, right? Well, there's one fertilizer that works super good for cold early spring, and that's ammonium sulfate. So you can pick up ammonium sulfate at your local feed store or even at your big box store. I actually picked this up at Lowe's, but if you don't have access to ammonium sulfate in your area, simply click the link in the description below where I have a link to ammonium sulfate that you can order online. I'm also gonna put links to everything that we're using in this video in the description below. So now let's quickly talk about why you would use ammonium sulfate versus a different nitrogen fertilizer like urea. The biggest reason is that it's really hard in cold spring or early spring to know what the temperatures are going to be. And because that's the case, ammonium sulfate is ideal for the following reasons. Number one, it's less prone to nitrogen loss through volatilization and provides immediate nitrogen in colder soil. Urea, on the other hand, requires microbial activity to break it down into a form that the grass can absorb, which requires warmer temperatures. So as long as your grass is metabolically active, ammonium sulfate will give it an instant hit of fast-release nitrogen to help it green up, even when the soil is cold. So it's time to put this stuff down, and if you take a look at this bag, it's about 4 pounds per 1,000 square feet. So you're gonna wanna take a look at the bag that you buy and just make sure that you follow the instructions for how much you need per 1,000 square feet. So this hand spreader holds about 5 pounds. So with the application rate of about 4 pounds per 1,000 square feet, I'm gonna start applying this. Now with a hand spreader, I like to do the perimeter first and then go into the middle. So let's put this stuff down. All right, so I got really good even coverage here. We're gonna move to the front yard. All right, so we just finished the backyard. Let's do the front yard. So I'm gonna go around the perimeter again and then kind of do lines to get the middle area, get really even coverage. So let's go. All right, so anytime you put a granular down, you're gonna get some of it on the concrete. And instead of letting it go to waste, what you're gonna wanna do is just get a blower and blow it back into the grass. So that's exactly what we're gonna do. Okay, so we just put that ammonium sulfate down. The good news is that there is some rain in the forecast this week, and we're gonna be probably in that 40 to 60 degree range. So let's take a look at this in about a week or so and see what we get. So it's day 6 and it's snowing, right? Welcome to spring in Utah. So we often will get sun, snow, rain, all within the same day. The temperatures are gonna warm right back up. So this snow is probably gonna melt by the end of the day, maybe even by tomorrow. And then we're gonna be right back in the 60s in the next 3 to 4 days. So we're gonna wait a little bit longer and then we'll take another look at this. Hey everybody, so it's day 10 and it's a beautiful 64 degrees out. It's literally just the second week of March, and you can see that this ammonium sulfate is starting to wake this grass up. So let's take a closer look at it. So as you can see, we've got some really dark green up here inside of this lawn. We even have some height. I mean, this stuff needs to be mowed probably within the next few days. But you can see that this ammonium sulfate is really just working well to green this grass up and wake it up from winter. So you can see here in the front yard, we're getting lots of good green up. It's pretty consistent. You know, we're getting a lot more green that's coming up in this grass. So this ammonium sulfate definitely is doing its job to be able to wake it up and give it the nitrogen that it needs. So as you can see, if you're looking to green up your grass, give it a quick hit of nitrogen in early spring, there's nothing better than ammonium sulfate. And if you don't have ammonium sulfate in your area, make sure that you click the link in the description below where you can purchase it online. And if you're looking for other tips to be able to get your grass really green this spring, then make sure you watch this video. So watch this video and I'll see you over there.